Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys what I got in my Ipsy bag. So this is the bag for this month, which is April. I think it's really adorable with the butterflies, and this is rose gold, as you guys can see there. I love butterflies, so I was like super excited when I saw that this was the bag this month. So let me try to open this thing. And of course my brush, of all things, is the one thing that gets stuck in this. Okay, so first things first, as I just mentioned, I got a brush. I hand this to my daughter. Let's talk to the side. This is by Glamour Dolls. And this is a blending brush. Come on, focus camera. My camera is being such a pain, but as you can see, I'm trying to get it to focus. It's a very nice blending brush. Seems to be very soft. And I just totally dropped that on the floor. Alright, next by Dirty Little Secrets, I got a liquid lip in Nude Beach. I'm going to hand the box to my daughter. So let me see how much of this I can actually show you guys in the actual tube. As you can see, kind of, there's a little bit of a shimmer. And I will go ahead and swatch this. Let's see, a little swatch right there. So this is a very light color. I would almost say, for me, it's more like a lip topper. Still very pretty. You go, Rennie? So let me see here. Oh, I'm recording a little bit differently today, so I'm trying to figure out where I'm at. And my camera is just not doing it today. But the color is like right there. I mean, it's like, you can see it from it glittering, but like I said, it's like a topper. Very pretty nonetheless. Okay, let's see. Next, I got a black eyeliner and star stamp, which is awesome because my star stamp that I had just run out. Please excuse the coughing in the back. That is my youngest daughter coughing away. But yeah, I had just I had just run out of mine. I cannot get this open. Oh my goodness. Why do they make these things so hard to open? Like, there's like literally nothing. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you this. And just know it's a star stamp and an eyeliner. There is like literally nowhere for me to open this. I'm gonna give it to my daughter, see if she can open it. Littles, please be quiet. Thank you. Alright, next from Luna. Here. Alright, next from Luna is an eyeshadow in Celine. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this open. It's really pretty. Why is my camera being so horrible today? Focus, camera. But as you can see, it's really natural color. Very pretty. And I'll I'll do a finger swatch. It's a very smooth eyeshadow. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back here. I'm going to show you guys on my finger. If my camera see, it's really pretty. My lighting is really giving me some problems today. But it's a really pretty color. Awesome. So my daughter got this taken care of for me, and this is the stamp that I was telling you guys about for that eyeliner. It's really cool. She's trying to get the lid now for this side. And as you can see, the other side is just your typical eyeliner. So I'm really excited about this because, like I said, mine ran out. And the last thing I got is a Hemp's Pure Herbal Extract Lip Balm, which I'm also very excited about. I've heard really good things about this stuff. And as you can see, my lips are totally dry. I have nothing on them right now because I'm trying to get them taken care of. Right now I'm using Creatifine's lip scrubs, which have been working great, but my lips are just kind of giving me hell. So that's it for Ipsy this month. I am honestly very happy with everything that I got. If you're not with Ipsy yet, these cost about $10 a month, and not everybody's bags are the same. It's tailored to you, and I totally recommend it. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and leave this here. If you liked it, please hit the Pomeranian. If you're not subscribed, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys. Love you.